All right, we're going to do HVAC here. Just going to touch on a couple of things. Let's talk about insulation real quick. So you notice the walls, they just have 1-inch foil-faced polystyrene. It's actually it's not polystyrene. I shouldn't say that. But anyway, it's R5. So yeah, R5 wall insulation. Wall there, 2x6 wall R19. Ceiling in the garage R30. But we don't have much temperature differential inside to outside. Ours is always a problem with humidity. So venting, big range hood. So this is the kitchen actually. So if you notice all the windows, they're all set there. So between the cabinets and the countertop, I'm putting in stainless steel planters for the herb garden. So there'll be herbs growing all the way around here. And then, you know, nice kitchen. All right, HVAC, all flex duct except for our major pieces are all done with fiberglass ductboard, taped together, sealed up, and then we use flex, which there's nothing wrong with it if it's installed properly, pulled tight and supported properly. So like here is a good example, going through the trusses, that's well supported. There's no dips, there's no sags. As you notice, it's coming off that plenum box, and it's pretty much just doing a 90 back into the ductwork. And again, we don't use standard registers. You notice these look long. Those are actually spacers in there. Those will come out. They're all linears. So they just have 1-inch or 2-inch slots that, and it's cleaner looking is really all it comes down to. So that's about it for HVAC. Now we'll come back shortly. We'll do some stucco. Today it's going to start raining anytime, so I'm going to hold off on doing the stucco. That's what the scaffolding's for. But I'll get out there and I'll show you the stucco bead and all the other stuff we need to do there.